Hey, what's up? It's Vince Geddes with Get Next Day Health Insurance Brokers, or Next Day Health Insurance is the name of the company. But topic I want to talk about today is a small concern with the mindset of individuals. Individuals. I sent out a post earlier today on Instagram, right? This was just basically telling everybody to take care of themselves, and I'll also talk a lot about food, health, herbs, everything you need in order to maintain yourself the right way. Because I want you to be here a long time. I want you to feel good in your sexy. But I'll also put in there if you are looking for health insurance. This is just in the text, in the post. Give us a call, www.getnextdayhealth.com, which is cool. So I get a response back from a gentleman, and this is no shots fired whatsoever. This is just more so of a mindset video that I'm shooting. And he told me within the last 6 years, he's only eaten meat. He hasn't had any fruits or vegetables or anything like that, and starchy food. And he's never caught a cold. He does work out, and he's not sick, and he doesn't have health insurance. And I'm like, that's cool. If that's what you have done for yourself in order to maintain your health and it's working good for you, then so be it. But I don't know what his circumstance is at all, because if he has a family, why play Russian roulette with your life? Why play Russian roulette with your family's life? This isn't even just health insurance, right? Because all it takes is for you to get sick. I don't care how much money you got. You could be a freaking doctor making $250,000 a year. But you get sick and you go to the hospital, you're going to find out how much money you really don't have, because hospital bills can be expensive, and relying on charity is the worst. You don't want to rely on charity. You don't want to rely on somebody else coming in to hopefully save the day. You want to save your own life. You want to have control of your own life. And this is just talking about the health insurance aspect. We're not even talking about the life insurance aspect, because let's just say, hey, you're still alive and you F around and you have a stroke. You F around and you have a heart attack. Then what? How is your income is going to come in? Who's going to protect you? And if you're young, let's just say you under 60, they're going to deny you Social Security. I promise you. They did it to my mom. They're going to deny you Social Security because of the increase of people that are trying to get Social Security. Also, they're going to deny you Social Security because of your age. So you got to go through all that denial process and things of that nature. You don't want to deal with that headache. Trust me. I've been dealing with Social Security when my mother was alive. It took her 3 years in order to get a benefit. And you know how much money they gave her? They gave her a lump sum of $5,000, which was left over after the lawyer came in and ate up all of that after the appeal. And she got $700 a month. I don't know about the next man or woman, but I can't live off of $700 a month. That ain't ish. Unless you live in somewhere like in Mexico or Thailand. And even then, that's still not enough money to live comfortably. So if you don't want to have that kind of headache and that kind of discrepancy, in your life, I'm a broker. Let me do the shopping for you. Let me look around for you. Let me find what's available for you in the market. And then even if you do have health insurance right now, because a lot of people already got it through their jobs, hey, you might be paying too much. You might not even use your health insurance like that. Let me give you some options. If I could save you $100, what could you do with that $100? Think about that. That's $1,200 a year that you can allocate towards getting you some life insurance, for real. Like getting you some accidental insurance, getting you some disability insurance. Where I'm talking about protecting your livelihood here. I'm talking about protecting your body, and I'm talking about protecting your kids' livelihood, because what happens if you can't take care of yourself, then you're going to pass that burden on to your kids, or you're going to pass that burden on to a relative, and it's not fair for them to take care of your ass because you didn't take care of business when you had the chance to do so. So I've been talking about this over and over again, as far as making sure that you guys get life insurance, making sure that you guys get health insurance, making sure that you cover your family, and making sure that you cover yourself, because this is really not your family's responsibility. It's your responsibility to take care of you. So if you're trying to book an appointment and you need health insurance or you need life insurance, reach out to me. Get a second opinion, get a second look. The number here is 44689-2322. Or you can reach me at www.getnextdayhealth.com. That's www.getnextdayhealth.com. Ask yourself, bam, do you got health insurance? You probably do, and you're probably paying too much. If you don't have life insurance, that's a problem too. So let me take care of these problems so that you can sleep with peace of mind, knowing that yourself and your family is taken care of and protected. Because it don't matter how much money you think you got, just get sick and we find out how much money you really don't have. Talk to you guys later. Peace.